morning. Let's see with daily profits. And today we have a couple, three interesting, actually four interesting stock that I'm looking at. The first one is GRVI. Just IPO'd yesterday, and now it's trying to make a move. This pre-market high for it is at 889. For a trade for the break of 8. So 8 already. Probably gonna play on the pullback if it does. If it pull back and find support at 8. This is one to be short and sweet. And at 10, gonna move up. Big pullback. Push right back up. And we get a continuation here. But if not, I'm looking to exit. See if we find support at the moving average. Okay, taking an exit. it did not do what I was expecting it to do. I was expecting it to break 10 and continue higher, but as you can see, broke 10 and a red candle. Now it's coming back. So usually when it comes back and try to break back above 8, that's a good indication for a buy right here at this level, because it can go back up towards the 8 and continue a bit higher. So we're going to see if it's going to do that move. And at 8 again. Continuation. New 5-minute candle. So let's see if we can break above that 810 level. We get a good, nice continuation. Around 810, 815, seeing a lot of resistance. But if it breaks above that level, you can continue higher, because 889 is the high for this one. We're looking for a pop through the 15 level and then 20. Times 15 again, 16, 20. Go. Let's see if we get that good continuation. 4, 5, 26. 30, 31, 33. 889 is the high. So let's see if we get that continuation on a new 5-minute candle. We might be able to hit it. 889. So let's see if we get a continuation. So, and OSMT is also moving towards its high. High is 5 right now. It's at 446. So just keeping an eye on that on the back end. But GRVI definitely has potential to continue higher. Wow, big drop. I expect that. Yeah, I'm exiting here. That drop didn't make sense at all. This right here is an irrational drop. Don't know where that came from, but it did not make any type of sense. High is 5. Hello? see we get another leg up. Bad. This is at 15. At 15. Until we get a push higher. $15.40. Let's see, we're 40. Come in. Let me want to. Get selling here. So back down $100. Hello traders, that's it with daily profits. So today was an up and down day in the markets. As you can see, I made a total profit about $230, but after commissions and fees, I only made about $104. So as you can see, I traded 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 stocks today. And I am green on all of them except for one, GRVI, my biggest regret. As you can see, I started trading early, and GRVI was my first stock that I got into. I bought in at 8:30, around 8:10. So just as this candle, and I was anticipating for a break for continuation, and I got in at 8:10, around this level here. It popped up a little bit, and I sold it around like, oh no, it popped up a little bit. And then took a nosedive, and I told myself to hold it. And then once it started trying to break, once it broke below the 9-moving average and continues, and I told myself, oh no, I just gotta let it go. I let it go. So basically, I lost about, on just that trade alone, I lost about 300. And whenever a stock pushed back, and retest and try to go back the same level again, it's almost 95% of the time that they're going to continue that direction. So as it was coming back up again, I bought in at 8, and I held it all the way to 8.30. So I was break even if I would have took my profit here. But I held it a little bit because I was thinking it was going to continue and going to test for the the pre-market high, but it did not. So as it pulled back, I sold. I made about $100 on that trade there, and then I got into OSMT. It was just one trade I got into OSMT. I bought it at 496, and that was around 9 o'clock around this area. So I got in. Where did I get in? 902. So I got in at 902 as it was breaking the pre-market high, I think. I bought it at 496 and sold on this pusher here at 507. So I made about $100 something on that one. And then when the market opened, I was watching OSMT because it was so close to its high. So I'm thinking that once it opens, buyers going to go in. It's going to be a nice move towards the pre-market high for the break and continuation. But it's not what it did. And then all of a sudden, I saw GRVI pop. Got halted and then resumed. So once it resumed, I was looking at it. I'm like, and I wanted to buy for a break of the highs. So as soon I bought in on this green candle right here. I bought in on this green candle around 925 for the break of the high, but it did not break that high. And for a fact, I held it for a little bit minute, and then it flushed. So I immediately sold on this candle right here, this red candle, and as you can see, it just continued down to no avail. And then LF pop up around 9:52. This was a really nice 5-minute setup. Bought in on this candle here for the break of 15. It broke 15, and then this double top right here scared me as it pushed back down, and I exited the trade for about 28 cent winner. It scared me. And then the next thing you know, I turned my face and then it popped a whole $1. And I was like, okay, so that was fine. And then once I saw that and then start consolidating, I just watched it and just left it on my watch list. And then I got into SPCE, and then I got back into ALF around this level here for the break of 1750, and I sold at 59 and 69 on this candle right here. I got into ALF again, bought at 768, so for about a 5-cent winner. And then I got into EXPR and I lost about 5 cents on it. Got into it again, lost about I would say 8 cents, and I finally got back into it and I made all my money back, and I was break even on this one. And then SPCE popped up again. I was watching it, and I bought at 56.53 and sold for a really nice little bit of profit, about $74. And my last trade was on MRIN. MRIN, as soon as it popped up in my scanner, I automatically knew because it did the same move yesterday. So yesterday, this was yesterday, as the market is about to close, MRIN decided it wanted to explode. So it came from 282 all the way up to 381. So that's a whole dollar move. So, and that is exactly what it did today. Just as 4 o'clock hits. I mean, this is about to hit 4 o'clock. It was hitting 3 o'clock, so it started moving up, and then it popped up on my scanner late though. So I got in around the 412 areas on this candle here, 1411. Yeah, I got in on this big pop candle. Got in at 14, 13, and 12 with 1,000 shares, and I sold all my shares when it hits 18 and made about $50 on it. That was it. And so that's how it was. So basically I was down. I was red today, for the day, and then basically came back up. Came back at break even, and then made an extra $100. We're at 300 plus 100, so it's about a $400 swing, give or take. So good Friday, you know. So looking forward to Monday. Could have done a lot better if I did not trade GRVI. So I lost on it on twice or 2 times trades, and it was a new IPO stock too. So it was the second day it was trading. But looking forward to Monday. An additional $100 in the pocket. So on Monday, account is going to be up about $2,800. So just going to go ahead and continue from there. Thank you so much. Please like, share, and subscribe. And have a good day. Enjoy the weekend.